What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your guy JD, and what we have on the menu tonight is chicken with eggplant and pumpkin with coconut milk. This is a Filipino dish inspired by Arby from Behold. Shout out to Arby, guys. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna add some oil to this pan, and then after we add the oil, we're gonna add some fresh red onion and fry them onions up until they become a little translucent. And after we add the onion, we're gonna add about 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and then after that we're gonna add some pumpkin, and then after we add the pumpkin, guys, we're gonna add some crushed red pepper, and we're gonna cook all that in there, and then we're gonna add the chicken in there, mix everything in till everything cooks evenly. And then after we add that, we're gonna add some eggplant into that, and we're gonna mix all that in. Oh yeah, and then after we add the eggplant, we're gonna add some fresh scallions. We're talking about 4 or 5 bunches. And then after we add the scallions, we're gonna add some oyster sauce. Oh yeah, to give it that Asian flair. Oh yeah, we're gonna mix everything in, and then we're gonna cook it on down, looking good, looking good, looking good. And then after we do all of that, we're gonna add a can of coconut. We're talking about a can and a half of coconut milk of your choice. And once we do that, we're gonna add some fresh bok choy leaves. Oh yeah, we're gonna add them bok choy leaves in, and then we're gonna add 1.5 cube of Maggie cube. We're gonna mix everything in, mixing in really, really good, mixing in really, really, really good. Oh yeah, smelling good, looking good, smelling good. And then we're gonna cover that, let it stew on down for about 15 minutes or so. And then once we stew it on down, this is the end result, guys. The end result. Y'all ready for the end result? Oh yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. You want to cook that, make sure your vegetables is nice and cooked. And if you want to add another Maggie cube in to give it a little bit more flavor to your liking, you can do that as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Good night, guys.